Welcome to year 0. I'm starting it right here, in front of my old kindergarten, where everything began and where I started learning and didn't know that I would end up in academia and do research and teaching. The house didn't change. They painted it new, this little building here. They renovated it, and as a child we were always playing hide and seek, and we were playing these running games, and this was not only the only tree, there was a second tree over there, and the distance was huge when I remember being a child and playing here. There was a sandbox here. I remember vividly how it was to be a child here. Yeah, it was great. Everything is so small when you're an adult, and as a child, the world around you is so big.
And now the sound is gone because I accidentally dropped my microphone. Do you spot it? It's lying there in the snow in front of that car, and I found it back later on. But now I'm walking from the kindergarten to the elementary school, across worn down buildings where we used to buy sweets as kids, and I'm dreaming of old times.
This is the way to my elementary school. Everything's a little different today because the house next to it was renovated. As a child, this hill, it was so steep for me to go to school and go back home. And yeah, again, the world is not so big anymore. So this is it. It's so nice to have these places still here, and I know it's unusual that you can just go there. Yeah, so this is my school building, and I remember very vividly the first day in school. Let's go have a seat. There are so many memories. So this tree over there, it was there when I was a child. And I remember my first day at school. We took photos here, and everybody was here, my colleagues from kindergarten, and everything was fine until I was supposed to enter. So this is the door. It looks like still the same door as almost 40 years ago. I didn't want to go inside. I was really looking forward to going to school, but I didn't want to go inside. I don't know how I managed, but I tried really not to enter here, and it was a little bit a fight.
It's so fascinating. Thinking back, I was looking forward to this transition into elementary school. And when the day came and I was supposed to enter this door to whatever new and unknown lies behind, I was petrified. I guess it's very human that we do not want to change things, rather stick to the known to keep ourselves safe. But with a lot of preparation, I'm ready for the next step.
And this is a special place because this is where we got our daily milk. So I don't know if it's the same for you, but when I was in school, there was a car coming and they put the milk here, and then all the school children in the break queued and everybody got a bottle of milk. And this is the first snow today, like a present. I love snow because it's the month of my birthday and I always loved the snow. This is where it all began, my elementary school building. I loved learning, I loved reading, I loved exploring, and this is also where year 0 will begin. Year 0 is my 1-year vlog series for me to look back one day on this unbelievable year of transition where I will still work in academia, but then in 1 year I will have a totally different life. It's very exciting and there are so many new things coming. I'm trying to grow on YouTube. I'm also writing a book. I drafted it already, but it will be tailored to the needs of my audience. It will be about teaching and how to teach with impact. Yeah, this is my year zero, a bridge between the two worlds, the research world that I know very well and the academic world, and the very new world, everything outside, starting a business, growing a business. It's a bit like when I was this 7-year-old child and looking forward to it, and I couldn't wait also. But when the day came, I was terrified. I didn't want to go inside this beautiful building. And it was so worth it. I remember so many good times, so many great lessons and fun in the classroom. Also bad times, but I do remember how much fun it was to read and to write and to learn, to explore. Yeah. And really not so much changed. We also made these window decorations when I was in elementary school. And yeah, it's right opposite of the church. And it's just a great way to remember.
For me, it's awesome to know that I can go back to my childhood places, walk the paths that I walked as a child, and reflect on the times and be honest with myself. What was good, what was bad, that this true image of the own past is not lost as for many other people. And it helps to be grounded in the reality of today. There were certainly times when I did not want to look back, where incidents and events were more hurtful and the bad stuff overshadowed the good stuff. But that's different today.
It's year zero. Something great will come. Something great will start. New things are always great. Growth, exploration, always a good thing. Yeah, I'm curious and I'm all in for it. And I'm taking you with me. Part it is to remember for myself how it was, but then on the other hand, it's also to show this, not only, oh, I have left, but what is the situation when you are still inside academia, preparing the transition and then leaving and something new and unknown comes.
Do you want to come with me into year 2026, the transition year from academia into being self-employed, starting a business? Then subscribe, like this video, and tap the bell to be notified when I upload the next Year Zero vlog.